Hey everybody, so I got a new shower head. This one was sent over to me to review. Now one thing I do like about this one is that it has a lot longer hose than a lot of them do. Now another feature with this one, they show it with images where it shows like beads in here. It's got several beads, which is supposed to be good for like the elements, the like hard water and stuff like that, kind of like massage beads. You can hear them. Oh, there we go. We can actually pop it out. So there's a little insert where there's little beads in there. It also comes with the washers, the little thing, of course, and the plumbing tape. Let's go ahead and put it on, and let's try it out. All right, so we got it hooked up. I'm trying to angle it where I can actually show it a little bit better. It makes it a little harder the way this shower is built. But let's go ahead and fire it up. I'll show you the settings. I'll show you the pressure with it. Also, this has a jet sprayer, so I'm going to show you that as well. I love those of these. Okay, so the pressure on that setting doesn't look too bad. Another thing I will try is I'm going to pull those beads out and see if that makes any kind of difference as well. So that's going to be the first setting. And then we got that. And we can turn it all the way off. Now let's go back the other way. Ah, and there's our jet. Oh, wow, that has two different jets. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off real quick. So right here in the front, there's this little jet here, and there's two spray modes. So there was like a fan jet and then like a power jet. And this makes cleaning and stuff pretty darn great. And that's why I like these style of shower heads with that jet. When I'm cleaning my shower, or if it's got a longer hose like this one, if I used it in the other bathroom that has a tub, I can reach it all the way over to the tub and jet spray it out, which is really awesome. Now I'll go ahead and show you those jets. Oh, without getting myself all wet. Okay, so we got our first jet here. Like I said, you got more of a fan, and that one's gonna be great for cleaning as well. You can use that for spraying off and just rinsing. And then we can do our power jet, and you just do it one more. And you can hear the pressure. I mean, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the beads out, and I just wanna see if it makes any difference, just in case somebody is interested in that. So let's remove that. All right, so it seems like the pressure is the same, so that's good. All right, it almost seems like there's just a slight bit of more pressure without in there, which would make sense. So I mean, that's up to you. It works fine with or without the beads. So if that's something that you care about. To me, the pressure difference isn't enough to remove them altogether, so it's up to you. So I really do like this shower head actually. It works really well. It's got several settings. It has decent water pressure with and without that bead thing. And the jets, I love the jets. So I really do like that a lot of these shower heads these days are coming out with these. You got that nice force stream, and you can use that in your shower, your tubs. You know, if the hose will reach, which this one actually reaches pretty far, this will actually work in mine. But anyway, if you are looking for a pretty good shower head, you can't really go wrong with this one. This one works great.